Severe weather threat tomorrow tornadoes, damaging winds, hail will be possible if breaking news.
Enhanced risk for parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, and parts of Texas. For anybody's in a slight risk, that includes for Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. For anybody's in a marginal risk, it's going to be for parts of Louisiana and Mississippi, Arkansas, I think Missouri. Let me see. That's Missouri right there. Check on my Google Maps. Let me check. Yeah, that's Missouri right there. That's Missouri. Okay, Kansas in it. Let me see where Kansas is. Yeah, Kansas, Iowa, Kansas, you're in it. Nebraska, you have in it. Iowa, you're in it for parts of the T-storm risk. Illinois, Wisconsin, in this. Michigan, you're in this as well. So for anybody's in the enhanced risk, that includes for Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Sly, Houston, San Antonio, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Little Rock. Marginal, Kansas City, Wichita, Corsicana, Brownsville, Overland Park. Let's take a look at the tornado risk. So as you see here, guys, for anybody's in the 2% area, that includes for the 2% will be near Louisiana, Arkansas, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, parts of Texas. You have a 2% chance of seeing a tornado chance. Everybody's in a 5% chance. That includes for Arkansas, Texas, Oklahoma, and parts of Louisiana. For anybody's in the 10% chance. That includes for Texas, parts of Oklahoma, and Arkansas. And look at this. For anybody's in the black shaded area, with that 10% chance, we will see parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. We can see some strong tornadoes right there. Strong tornadoes, as you can see here. So the 2%, that will be for Houston, San Antonio, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, Tulsa. 5%, Austin, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Little Rock, Killeen. 10%, Dallas, Plano, Garland, Shreveport, Irving. The slight risk, Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grant Parish. Again, if anybody's in the black shade area with that 10% chance, you will see some strong tornadoes. You won't be ready for the damaging wind threat. Number 2. Let me put on the interstates. No, you cannot see them. But get ready for the wind threat, as you can see here. So look at the wind threat. The 30% chance is right there, guys. Everybody's in the 30% chance for Texas, parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma. 5%. That's for you, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas. 5% that include for Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, parts of Louisiana. For 5% for Kansas City, Wichita, Corsicana, Brownsville, Oakland, Overland Park. 15% Houston, San Antonio, Austin, Oklahoma City, Tulsa. 30% chance Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland. And now, if everybody's in a 30% chance, we might see some damaging winds as well with some strong tornadoes. Again, if anybody's in the black shaded area, you might see some strong tornadoes in the tornado threat. And I will watch closely, guys. Circle that. No, circle this brown shaded area. The hail threat. Not too bad. We might see some large hail in this threat. So the 5% chance, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas. The 50%. What just happened? You saw that, guys? Alright, let's go back. The 50% will be for Texas and parts of Louisiana, Oklahoma City. So the 50% chance that will be for Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth. 5% will be Oklahoma, Kansas City, Tulsa, which I saw, consequences as well. So the city, the cities right here. Okay, so Wichita Falls, you're in the 5% chance. Let's go back onto the tornado front. See, yeah, Dallas, you're in the black shaded area with that 10% chance. Austin, you're halving it, but you still have a 5% chance for a tornado possible. A strong tornado will be possible during that time. All right, there goes Brownsville right there. There goes New Orleans, Mobile, Alabama. There goes our Florida Peninsula right there. You can see Fort Myers, Miami, Tampa, Orlando, Melbourne. Yeah. So let's go back. We have that risk before. Let me see the tornado for a 2% chance of a tornado possible. Let me go back. Storm prediction center. How to exit? Okay. Wait. Is it that? Hold on, guys. It might take a while to find forecast maps. Yeah. No. I think where is this one? Did I found it? Okay, this is what it looks like when we get into the I think Thursday or Friday. We might see a 1.5 inch of rain, I think. Yeah. 1% chance. But now I need to look for the radar thing to see if I can find it. Hold on, guys. I'll end the recording to find it. Because this thing is going to take a long time to find. But I'll restart it and come back. Okay, we find it. Now this have a level from 30 to 130. But look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. You can see the wind that is moving a little bit. But you can see this. This is infecting Ohio. You're in this too. West Virginia, New Jersey. You're in this too. Let me zoom in. So guys, as you can see here, this is the forecast tool. And you can see, let me stop here for a second. Okay, so this side right here, must circle that right now. That was headed to our Florida Peninsula. Half of our Florida Peninsula right there. That's our Florida area. Moving from Georgia and the South Carolina area, launching itself toward the Florida Peninsula. So let's start. So as you can see a little red that is heading towards the coast, towards the other center, towards the southern plains. For you in the southern plains, you have a severe risk that includes for you, Texas, as well as for anybody's in the Texas area or the Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, I think Missouri in it too, Louisiana. Be prepared because this will start on Friday. So you must be prepared for tomorrow on Friday. So let's go back to our forecast tool. Let's go on the second one. The mirror sense. Yeah. Okay. Forecast tool. Okay, let's go on to our weather radar. See what we're talking about. We're gonna have some rain chances for our area in West Palm Beach. So 7 o'clock, there's a 50% chance. Some the isolated showers are possible as well in our Florida Peninsula. So hurry up and skip. There we go. Sorry, I just roasted the ad. So by today, by 8:55, we might see some clouds headed to parts of Texas, but there will be some clear conditions as well. By 12 a.m. tomorrow, let's start the place thing. As you can see here from, I think 5 a.m. Look, wait, by 5 a.m. tomorrow. But let's see. So you can see that, guys. that is the rain bands that is launching itself towards the Texas area from Iowa. See that big mess right there? Those are the cloud covers right there. We might see some snow, pink stuff over toward Idaho and Washington and Montana. There are some clouds must headed toward Utah, Colorado, and alright, okay. So let's start by 12 p.m. tomorrow. We might see those rain bands moving in. That's why we're gonna have those damaging winds, the tornado threat. Actually, the damaging winds is the biggest concern ever, because there's a 30% chance of seeing. There's a 10% chance in that black shaded area. You'll still get a strong tornado, like EF2, EF4, EF2, EF3 tornadoes by 4 o'clock tomorrow. We might see it enlarge up itself towards the DFW area, Dallas Fort Worth area, and probably toward Little Rock, toward Arkansas. Cloudy conditions in Oklahoma City. 5 p.m. It's still launching itself. By 8 o'clock tomorrow, it will be done. By 12 p.m. By 8 p.m. we might see it coming toward the Louisiana area and parts toward Arkansas, Missouri, Illinois, passing more cloudy covers over Iowa and heading towards Michigan. And by 12 a.m. tomorrow, it might soon be coming to Alabama toward Mississippi. You could see Birmingham, Anniston, Montgomery right there. Alabama is getting hit next. By 4 p.m. it might get hit, but probably will disintegrate its strength from the rain band. A couple tornadoes will be possible. Another severe threat heading to past Mississippi towards Georgia. I think you could see those cloud covers there from Georgia all the way towards Virginia, probably towards the New Jersey area and the Delaware area. So Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and Louisiana, Mississippi, you're completely all of this circled out right out that all of this included for Kansas, Missouri, Iowa, Illinois, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas. You're fine with those sunny conditions, but unfortunately, Memphis is looking good, but Jackson's still doing those cloudy covers right there. So New Orleans and Baton Rouge still dealing with those rain bands and those cloudy conditions. But Alabama, but Birmingham, Montgomery, Anniston, we're going to see those cloud conditions right there, and probably heading to Tennessee. There goes Nashville right there, and that probably will make it to Knoxville by the time you reach there. You can see some rain over Charlotte, Greensboro, Raleigh, over the Triad area. There goes South Carolina, Columbia. You're in it, Maryland Beach, Cardinson, Charleston, Savannah, the Low Country. You go Vadusla. Yeah, by 12 a.m. we might see it disintegrate and probably heading toward Pittsburgh.
Tornadoes, damaging winds, hail will be possible due to severe weather tomorrow.
That's where it's coming
With
from. It's heading towards the other side of Canada. We have seen some cloud covers over Maine right there. And by Sunday, we might see some clear conditions in our area, but some cloudy covers from that band right there. And we might see those right there. We're still checking the tropics because we're going to have some thunderstorms and some rain over our area by next week. Because we're still tracking the tropics right there. So guys, okay, so let's go back to that weather threat. Let's check out the thunderstorm outlook. There will be a 10% chance for every one of you guys. That includes for our Florida Peninsula right there. You can see half of our Florida is in that 10% chance as well. that's where we're talking about the tornado risk. We might want to keep an eye out of the tornado and the damaging wind threat, because I want to keep an eye on the tornado threat. Because I want to keep an eye on because of the black half shaded area. If anybody's in the shaded area with the yellow, you're gonna experience some strong tornadoes like EF2, EF3, EF1, whatever. But we didn't get the high threat of tornadoes yet, but we did get the 30% chance for damaging winds as well. The damaging winds. So we want to watch it increase right now. But guys, that's it for your severe weather update. We'll continue back. We'll keep monitoring this. Yeah, we'll be right back. We'll see you. Your weather update is coming up in the next